Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video is how to make Fiverr gig. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what you're going to do is go to fiverr.com, which is I'm already here, and just sign into your account. So I'm already on my account. Now what you're going to do is press on your profile here on the top right corner, and then just press on become a seller. Now here, you will be redirected to this site and just press on Become a Seller. Now, here's the breakdown to start selling on Fiverr. So, what you're going to do is learn what makes a successful profile, then create your seller profile, then publish your gig. You can create a gig of a service you're offering and start selling instantly. So you just read this so to follow and create a profile that will stand out from the crowd on Fiverr. So your success on Fiverr is important and avoid the following to keep in line with the community standards. Then just press continue. So what you're going to do is just accomplish the personal profile info and just click on continue. And after you created your profile, you can start making a new gig. So as I search here, these are the samples of Sandpiper gig samples. And you can make a different gig. And you can just explore it here on Fiverr. So that's it. I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!